The associative property talks about grouping. So grouping, or a keyword here is parentheses. Okay. So keyword is parentheses or grouping. So the official definition, when you are only adding or only multiplying, you can group any of the numbers together. So it's about grouping numbers together or using parentheses. So let's get that definition down too. Alright, and we've got some examples here on the right side. So if you look at this one, they take 6 plus 8 plus 2, they add 6 plus 8 first. Alright, so we do 6 plus 8 first, it's in parentheses, that's 14. Plus 2 is 16. Now that should also work then if we do it the other way, where we've got 6 plus 8 plus 2. So now we do 8 plus 2 first, which is 10. And then 6 plus 10 is 16. And we can see that we get the same answer either way. Alright, so basically what they're doing here is they're just changing what gets added first. And they do the same thing for multiplication underneath that. And it should work out. Now here's the key. The key is that the order of the numbers doesn't change. Because remember, if the order of the numbers changes, then that's commutative. So we have 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2. So the order will not change. Same with multiplication up here. 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5. Alright, so if the order ever changes, it's commutative. Alright, so now we can have discussions such as this. Is it associative or is it commutative on these? So for A, the first thing you're always going to want to check is the order of the numbers. Because if the order changes, that's going to mean it's commutative. So we've got 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3. Order changed. This is commutative. Alright. Second one, 9 plus 8 grouped together plus 12. And then on the other side, 8 plus 2 are grouped together, and then the 9 before it. So first let's check the order. 9, 8, 12, 9, 8, 12. So the order is good. Order doesn't change, but the grouping does. So we get associative. Okay. And you can see on letter B, the one reason you might want to group this differently is because 8 plus 12 is going to be an easier first step than 9 plus 8, even though that's not too hard. But then you get 17 on the left side plus 12, whereas on the right side you get 8 plus 12, which is 20, and 20 plus 9 is much easier to do. Alright, and the bottom one's kind of a tricky one. It looks like it's associative, but it's actually commutative. Alright, so it looks like the grouping changes, but if you notice, 12 plus 8 is still in parentheses. You want to check your overall order here. So it goes 15, 12, 8, 12, 8, 15. That's an order change, and anytime that happens, that is commutative. So watch out for that. That one's a little tricky. Alright, that's all I've got for associative, and a little commutative involved there too.